So in today's video, I'm going to show you a unique method that literally lets you create a consistent character inside Sora 2. Even Sora 2 doesn't give you any feature to keep your character consistent. This text-to-video method actually makes it possible. So let me start from the beginning and show you exactly how this works. Start by opening Sora 2 and upload the image you want to base your character on. Type, I'm working on a video using Sora 2 and I want to create a consistent character based on the image I've attached. I need you to write me a very detailed core prompt that describes only the appearance, the voice, and the camera settings. This will be reused across multiple scene prompts, so don't include any pose or action. Just describe how the character looks in the image, how their voice sounds, and what camera settings would keep the visuals consistent every time. Structure it like this. Character appearance. Describe the face, outfit, proportions, colors, and overall style in as much detail as possible. Voice. Describe the tone, pitch, emotion, delivery, and atmosphere of the voice as if it's being recorded. Camera settings. Briefly describe the lens, aperture, lighting, color grading, and framing style for consistent cinematic output. Only focus on the character, not what they're doing. Be as specific as possible. Then upload the image you want to use and click the next button on the side. Give the system a moment to start, because as soon as you hit that next button, Sora 2 begins analyzing the image and forming that highly detailed core prompt. This step is important because this core prompt becomes the identity of your character. Everything from the skin texture to the voice tone to the camera setup gets locked in here. When the detailed core prompt appears, read it carefully. Make sure every detail matches the character you want. Once everything looks perfect and matches the vibe you want, copy the entire prompt. Now you'll use this prompt as the foundation for all your scenes. Paste this character core prompt at the top of your scene script. Below it is the prompt line section. This part is where you describe the scene you want, the environment, the mood, and the overall situation. For example, you might write, "The girl is scared searching something in the forest." Keep this part short, clear, and focused only on the scene. After that comes the voice line. This is where you add any spoken dialogue or narration you want the character to say. It's optional, but it's helpful when you want the character to speak a specific line or create a certain emotional impact. When you finish putting everything together, your script is ready to use. Select everything and copy it. Now go back to Sora 2. Open the settings, adjust everything the way you prefer, and then paste your script into the Sora 2 input box. Press next and wait for the system to analyze the character description and the scene instructions. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Watch the output closely. You'll see that the character stays consistent, the voice tone matches the original description, and the overall cinematic style remains stable. This is the power of using a strong character core prompt. To test how stable your character really is, create another scene. Use the exact same core prompt again because that's the identity of your character. For the new prompt line, write, "A girl screaming and asking for help in the forest." This time, remove the voice line completely so you can see how Sora 2 generates the voice on its own. Paste the script and press next again. After a brief wait, you'll get your second video.
Hey, somebody, I need help! Is anyone out here? Please! Help!
When you compare this video with the previous one, you'll notice how the character's features, clothing details, color tones, and even the movement style stay consistent. The voice will still follow the same tone and texture described in the core prompt, even without written dialogue. This method lets you create fully consistent characters across multiple scenes. If this video helped you understand how to create a consistent character workflow, make sure to leave a kind comment and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'll be back with another helpful breakdown. Until then, peace out.